Hello everyone, this is Nitin. So first I wish all of you very happy Independence Day. I hope you all are safe at your home because the corona period is going on. So I hope that you all are safe and secure. So today I am here to give my presentation on a topic of Gurudwara, which is located at the Gwalior Fort. So I will give you a detailed explanation about that Gurudwara. So before starting, first I would like to say thanks to Pradeep sir for giving me such a wonderful opportunity. I take this opportunity and want to say something about today's topic. So today we will know about the Gurudwara, and I will tell you some beautiful things about that Gurudwara, which is located at the Gwalior Fort. So definitely after knowing the things, you will visit to Gwalior Fort and will go to Gurudwara. So let's start the topic. A Gurudwara, which is located at Gwalior Fort, has been constructed by the Sikh followers. It was a very beautiful structure, it was a very beautiful architecture, and it was made in the memory of Sri Har Gobind Singh Ji, the sixth Guru of Sikh religion. So it is located at Gwalior Fort, which is 100 meters from the ground level of Gwalior. So actually Har Gobind Singh was the prisoner of Jahangir at that place where Gurudwara is located. Jahangir kept him in his prison for 12 years, such a long time, between 1606 to 1627. So that's why Gurudwara is located here. Many Sikh followers come here for prayer and all, and the beautiful thing is that the followers of other religion also come here for prayer, and they feel inner peace here. And when you will visit to this Gurudwara, and you will also feel a very beautiful experience. You will feel that something different here. You can feel inner peace here. So the other part of this Gurudwara is that its another name is Gurudwara Data Bandi Chhod. So there is a story behind this name, that why it is called Data Bandi Chhod. I will explain about that story. It is said that once King Jahangir, Mughal Emperor Jahangir, became seriously ill, and he was advised to leave the Sri Har Gobind Singh Ji from his prison. Actually, at same time, Jahangir also kept 52 innocent kings in his prison at Gwalior Fort. Sri Har Gobind Singh Ji put a condition that if Jahangir will also free that in 52 innocent kings, then I will be free. So Jahangir accepted this thing of Har Gobind Singh Ji, but he also proposed a condition that the kings who can hold your hands, only they will be freed. So Guru Har Gobind Singh Ji ordered to make a long cloth. So by holding that cloth, all the kings were freed from his prison and got the freedom. So that's a story. That's why Gurudwara is called Data Bandi Chhod also. So to remember these memories, to remember this incidents, 7th-floor Gurudwara was built by the Sikh followers at the place of Gwalior Fort, where you can visit anytime. So that was a very beautiful architecture, and there was a garden and a lake, a small lake, and a beautiful entrance were also built. So, and whole Gurudwara was constructed with a fully marble. Fully marble was used in that Gurudwara, and the light and lamps decorates the wall of Gurudwara, decorates the main structure of building, and there was a kalash on a gumbad which was made via gold, pure gold. So you can see that you can see these things when you will visit the Gurudwara, and there is a continuously chanting of Guru Granth Sahib. You can listen here and there, and you can feel. So that Guru Granth Sahib chanting creates a different atmosphere, will create a peaceful atmosphere. So you can feel these things at this Gurudwara, beautiful Gurudwara. And this Gurudwara also provides the langar to his guests. They serve food, the very tasty food to their guests. Yeah, so this is also a specialty about this Gurudwara. So you can taste that food in langar. So these are all things about the Gurudwara. And on Diwali festival, they held a very special program over there. So many of the followers visit at that program, and tourists visit throughout the year. Throughout the year, they visit to the Gurudwara. So I want to say that Gurudwara is a very popular and a very famous place, and in last 12-13 years it became a very famous place for religious place. It developed as a religious place in Gwalior in last 12-13 years. So you can definitely visit here and take some good experience. So I request you all to visit our Gurudwara at Gwalior Fort. It is very easy to go on fort. There are many vehicles which can You can go on foot, you can go by your own vehicle, and you can take public vehicle, etc. You can go by Ola cabs and all. So definitely you will experience a very good thing. And there are also other things at Weatherford which you can visit other than Gurdwara, like Mansingh Mahal, Gujri, Sas Bahuka temple. There are many things to visit. So when you will visit Weatherford, definitely go to Gurdwara and take some experience, take some good experience. So these are the words which I wanted to say about Gurdwara. I hope you all will like it. So thank you very much. Stay safe, stay at your home.